the notice of the affair on Saturday, the 6th. I shall be with you early, and if I may, I will carry you back to the city to lunch, unless you have a desire to go to the Royal Hotel. I should like to take you to the usual cafe to lunch, because the meals always seem to be both dainty and cheap. I wish you were ready for the visit to Sicily. These lovely days make us long to be away. I think the change itself would be likely to make you enjoy the peace of the village life when you got back. Those of us who have had such a change of scene know this to be likely. I shall be ready to leave as soon as you, and it is for you to name the date.